Hi, my name is Carla Muscatello. I represent Regional School District 13. We are putting in the Born Learning Trail today on September 28th, and we are rocking on. Go Born Learning Trail! Woohoo!
My name is Lauren Kasparowski, and I am the Early Links Coordinator for the town of East Hampton, and I'd like to welcome you to the Born Learning Trail. Thanks to the generous donation from the United Way, we have been able to install the Born Learning Trail here at Seamster Park in East Hampton. We've had approximately 15 volunteers who have given up their time. We have had several food donations, drink donations, and the community has just come together to ensure that this wonderful initiative has happened for us in East Hampton. We've already seen many of the children here playing, enjoying, and learning here together with their parents and caregivers. So it is phenomenal to see, and we are so grateful to have this trail here in East Hampton.
Thank you. Or is it soft? Hard? And is it smooth or bumpy?
So.
Oh, it says walk backwards. Good. Good girl.
Yeah.
My name is Donna. I work for Rolls-Royce Corporation, and I volunteered today for United Way because it was for the kids, for the school. It was the best process possible.
United Way made it really easy to volunteer on the Day of Caring. It was a great way to give back to the very local community by facilitating these projects for local kids to use.
So what do you do?
Webb from the Cromwell Early Childhood School Readiness Council, and I'd like to thank the Middlesex United Way, Lowe's, and Liberty Bank for helping us install this wonderful Born Learning Trail. It's going to be a terrific place for parents to do some interactive activities with their children and enjoy this beautiful park. So thank you very much, and we look forward to having children use this for years and years to come. Thank you.
What or does it have bumps down there? Bumps down there.
Busted food, drink for them.
You know what the worst part is?